Let me show you how I make this frittata with potatoes and hot dogs, just like my mom did when I was growing up. Or you can just make like an egg scramble. It doesn't really matter. It's going to start off with a few potatoes that I like to peel and thinly slice. And as long as they're all the same thickness, it doesn't matter how big or how small your slices are. Like I said, as long as they're the same thickness so that they cook evenly. Add those to a 12-inch non-stick skillet along with a little bit of olive oil, and then get this cooking until the potatoes are just about halfway cooked through. In the meantime, you're going to go ahead and slice up some hot dogs into little coins. And I know what you're thinking. Hot dogs, Italy, Italian, really? And I promise you, you guys, Italians love a hot dog. And if you follow me on Instagram or if you've watched other videos from Italy, I have shown you guys so many times in how many different ways I see hot dogs when I go over there. It's on pizzas, it's in sandwiches, they're fried up with potatoes and french fries. They're really a beloved food item over there. I kid you not. And this is something that my mom, my nonna, my aunts made so much when I was growing up, and you can eat it like this, or you can stuff it in a loaf of bread or in a sandwich and take it to the beach. It's just so good. Whisk together some eggs with lots of salt and pepper and parmigiano, and once those are whisked, you're going to go ahead and set them aside. And when your potatoes are about halfway cooked through, you're going to add those hot dogs, and then you're going to continue to cook these until the potatoes are fully cooked through, the hot dogs are nice and crispy around the edges, and they get all just kind of like salty and just so delicious. I love a hot dog, but I only eat full beef hot dogs. That's my only caveat. Once those are all ready and the potatoes are ready, add in your beaten egg mixture. And then I like to work the eggs around the other ingredients using a wooden spoon. You guys, this does not have to be perfect. This is real home cooking. This is real home food. And if you don't want to make a frittata, you can just use this as your opportunity to just make some scrambled eggs with hot dogs and potatoes, and it's so good. You can also add onions here. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I love the combination of all together. Once your eggs are set on the one side, this is an easy way to flip it. I cut it into quarters, and using a fish spatula, I just flip each quarter and let it cook on the second side for a few minutes. And then when it comes off, make sure you sprinkle a lot of parm all over the top, and you're pretty much done. Such a childhood classic, such a favorite, and I know that you will love it. Hope you enjoy.